A top story this morning comes in from national capital Delhi, and the situation is not looking good. Mega crackdown now has taken place on Delhi's coaching centres. Remember, there are massive number of coaching centres in Delhi in different parts, specifically coaching centres for the UPSC. But look at this. As it appears now, but tragically after an incident, that there are centres that are violating rules. They've now been sealed one after another. Basically, those who have put a basement as a coaching centre have been sealed. But how did the move come about? The administration of Delhi woke up after this led to the death of at least 3 students in different parts. Delhi Mayor has now said MCD has started the process of sealing the coaching centres in Rajendra Nagar that were violating rules and were running commercial activity in the basement. Shreya Chatterjee is joining me for the latest on that. Shreya, I bring you in here. Again, like we've always seen, in most cases, the administration authorities wake up only after there's been a tragic incident. What is the action that has been taken now, and what are you picking up about what exactly is happening there in different parts?
Well, Pooja, it's extremely unfortunate that it's only after the death of 3 students that the local authorities have finally woken up, and there has been a sealing procedure that's, activity that has been done by the MCD, where 13 odd the coaching centres have been sealed in the old Rajendra Nagar area and Karol Bagh. These were essentially the coaching centres who were violating the building norms and running libraries out of the basements. Remember, one thing that's come into revelation about Rouse Institute, that when they had obtained the fire NOC and the commercial permit from the MCD, the basement and the split basement permissions were given essentially for parking and storage purpose, but clearly they were flouting the norms and running a library. So clearly this is something that has finally given a wake-up call for the authorities. But question remains that why for so long...
Stay on with me, because the fact is the investigation into this tragic incident at Rouse IAS Study Circle in Delhi has now intensified. The owner Abhishek Gupta and coordinator Deshpal Singh have been remanded to 14-day judicial custody. Remember that after that devastating pouring of the water into the coaching centre and in the basement that led to becoming a death trap. The basement was inundated after a drain burst, basically, during heavy rains on Saturday evening. But the fact was, students shouldn't have been there in that basement in the first place. It was running illegally. In response, Rouse IAS Coaching Centre, this is one of the most popular coaching centres, in fact, in Delhi, has issued its first public statement. They are expressing grief and pledging full cooperation with the ongoing investigation. But there's a public outrage, and rightly so. Students leading protests, they are demanding justice for the victims. Remember, these were aspirants with dreams for the UPSC and for other services, and they are now dying because of civic apathy.
हमको सुनने में आया है कि वहाँ जो है क्लास चल ही रहा था, तभी पानी भर गया। इस वजह से बच्चे निकल नहीं पाए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शायद दरवाजा था उसमें, वो हमको जानकारी मिली। सरकार से हम सबसे बड़ी मांग की है कि ऐसे संस्थानों को बंद कर दिया जाए। जो बच्चों को हमारे बच्चे हमारा भविष्य है, हमारे भविष्य के साथ वो लोग खिलवाड़ करते हैं पैसा कमाने के लिए। उनको जब बेसमेंट में पानी भरता था बराबर रेगुलर, तो उनको या तो क्लास 1 महीने बंद कर देना चाहिए था, या तो दूसरी व्यवस्था देनी चाहिए थी। बच्चों को जान के जोखिम में डाल करके ये लोग क्लास लेते थे।
उससे पहले उन्होंने मेरे पास वीडियो भी भेजा था कि देखो मेरे कोचिंग में पानी भर गया है, तो उस दिन छुट्टी हो जाती। तो बोलती थी कि जब कोचिंग में पानी भरता है तो मैसेज आ जाता, तो उस दिन छुट्टी रहती थी। तो इसके पहले जो पानी उसमें जब भरा होता था वो बच्चे आने से पहले हो जाता था, तो इसलिए उस दिन छुट्टी करके बच्चे सेफ हो जाते थे। ऐसा है, इन्होंने 5-6 बार ऐसे कर चुके हैं पहले भी। उसमें जब भरा हो जाता तो उसके बाद छुट्टी कर देते थे।
आज उसमें मांग की है कि सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी, जो इस तरह के स्टूडेंट आते हैं उनके साथ सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी के मेजर्स क्या रहेंगे, कैसे होंगे। जिस तरह से ये हुआ, जो लॉस हुआ, इन बच्चों का लॉस हुआ, उनके परिवार के लिए पर्याप्त कंपनसेशन मिले। इंडिपेंडेंट इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए, जिससे इंक्वायरी के नाम पर, इन्वेस्टिगेशन के नाम पर लीपापोती ना हो। उसकी निगरानी माननीय ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट अपने रिटायर्ड जस्टिस की निगरानी में कराए।
सूचना मिली कि हमारे अम्बेडकर नगर जनपद की छात्रा जो दिल्ली में रात में घटना हुई थी उसमें उसका देहांत हो गया। तो उसी के संदर्भ में जिला प्रशासन और जिलाधिकारी महोदय के निर्देश के अनुसार हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, ताकि उसके समस्या को उसको जान सके।
जो घटना नरेंद्र नगर में घटी है उसने पूरे देश को सदमे में कर दिया। आज पूरा देश सकते में है, हर कोई दुखी है, बच्चा किसी का भी हो, लेकिन वो देश का एसेट था। 3 बच्चे थे, यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स थे, फ्यूचर आईएएस थे, देश के प्रशासन में सहयोग देते। आज वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है।
ये है वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप जहां पर उनको बताया जाता है कि दुर्गेश पाठक जी यहां कुछ अनहोनी हो जाए उससे पहले जाग जाइए, क्यों आपको राजेंद्र नगर की हालत दिख नहीं रही। लेकिन माननीय विधायक जी कुछ नहीं करते, उनके कानों पर जूं तक नहीं रेंगती।
आज दिल्ली की क्या हालत कर दी इन्होंने। झीलों का शहर बनाना था इन्होंने दिल्ली को। 3 नौजवान बच्चे युवा हमारे साथ थे, एक बेसमेंट में डूब के मर जाते हैं देश की राजधानी में। ये अरविंद केजरीवाल का मॉडल है, ये आम आदमी पार्टी का मॉडल है। किस स्थिति में लाकर खड़ा कर दिया इन्होंने। उन परिवारों से पूछो जिन्होंने अपने नौजवान बच्चों को खोया, क्या बीत रही होगी उनके ऊपर। जो उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए उनको कोचिंग सेंटर्स में भेज रहे थे, क्या पता था वो बेसमेंट उनको निकल जाएगी। ये है उनका झीलों का शहर। ये किस तरह की राजनीति है।
It took a teenager to die for some of the civic authorities to basically wake up. Now in Old Rajinder Nagar, where many of these coaching centers are, there are basements. Now according to administration's checks being done, the basements that were being operated illegally, they have now been sealed, orders have been given, action has been taken. Anmol Bali gets us this report.
Currently, the MCD has started sealing the underground coaching institute, the basement coaching institute, and as you can see in the visuals, I am here at the Rajinder Nagar, opposite of the Karol Bagh metro station, where you can see in the visuals, MCD officers have come here half an hour ago and they have sealed this underground coaching institute or the basement coaching institute because it was seen yesterday in the evening after the heavy downpour. A basement at the old Rajinder Nagar place which is also called the Makkah of UPSC preparation, got filled with the water. It was flooded with the water, and due to this incident, 3 UPSC aspirants have lost their life, 2 female and 1 male. And I'll also show you in the visuals, they have also pasted a notice here outside the basement where one can read, it has been brought to my notice that plot number 1B basement, ground floor, first floor, second floor and third floor, Pusa Road, New Delhi is being used for coaching center at the instance of owner occupiers in violation of provisions of Master Plan 2021 in the name and style of Triumph IAS, Perfection, GS Core, Byju's. From here, one can understand that this is a multi-story building, and not only this institute. According to our sources, 2 more institutes and IAS coaching centers have been sealed by the MCD, and MCD is in the action mode because the students are raged. They are on the road. They are protesting against the MCD, who's being accused of negligence, which resulted into the death of 3 UPSC aspirants. With cameraman Anil Jaiswal, Anmol Bali from New Delhi.
Remember these names, 3 aspiring IAS officers, studying very hard, Tanya, Shreya and Naveen. They died simply because of civic apathy in different cases, because their life was taken for granted. Here's a special report of how protests have broken out in different parts, because students who could have become contemporaries to these young aspirants of UPSC are now on the streets demanding justice.
Massive student anger in Delhi. One student voice after another seeking justice for Tanya, Shreya and Nevin. 3 IAS hopefuls who perished in a submerged basement of their own coaching center. Falling prey to official apathy and a broken system. Angry students held multiple protests against the deaths, laying siege to Karol Bagh metro station, clashing with the cops.
पुलिस ने अपनी कार्रवाई भी यहाँ पर शुरू कर लिया, कहीं ना कहीं विद्यार्थियों को डिटेन करना शुरू कर दिया है। यहाँ आपको मैं तस्वीरों में दिखाना चाहूंगा कि देखिए बच्चों को उठाया जा रहा है जो यहाँ पर चक्का जाम करने के लिए बैठे थे, उनसे बातचीत करके जानना चाहेंगे उनकी बड़ी मांगे क्या है।
सर, हमारी पहली डिमांड है कि एमसीडी का कमिश्नर यहाँ पर हो। दूसरा, राव आईएएस पूरा एग्जैक्ट नंबर बताए।
BJP student wing, the ABVP, staged protests outside the house of Delhi AAP Mayor Shelley Oberoi, defacing and blackening her posters, clashing with the cops who resorted to lathi charge.
अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद कैडर is on the ground to protest against the Aam Aadmi Party and Mayor Shelley Oberoi, and you can see in the visuals heavy deployment of Delhi police which is trying to stop ABVP workers to enter the residence of Shelley Oberoi, who's mayor of Delhi MCD.
दिल्ली पुलिस जहां लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए रहती है, वहां उल्टा ये छात्रों की असुरक्षा के लिए काम कर रही है। यहाँ छात्र किस डिमांड को लेकर आए थे? ताकि हमारी सुरक्षा व्यवस्था को बहाल किया जाए, हम सुरक्षित महसूस कर सकें। लेकिन सरकार के साथ मिलकर दिल्ली पुलिस का इस तरीके का बर्ताव बिल्कुल ही सोचने लायक नहीं है। बिल्कुल।
The student community is seething. The grim deaths of UPSC hopefuls, including the electrocution of Nilesh Rai, upsetting the student community, making them worried over the system and their own safety. With Anmol Bali in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.